Andrew, can you explain the Archaeology in a Handbag project?
In this project, we broke into groups, and in the groups we each had some items that came from this handbag, and we had to try and figure out who the owner of the handbag was and just everything about them that we could from the items. And then we came together as a class, and we took what we had come across in the different groups, and we kind of put it all together to figure out who the person who owned the handbag was.
This project helped us understand what archaeology was really like, because you had to figure out everything by yourself, and you had to kind of look around, and you never really had a complete data set about everything, so you had to look around, you had to figure everything out, and you had to work with other people.
When we did the archaeology dig in a handbag, we recorded it in an online database, and we put the artifact down, the description, and the possible inferences about what the item was.
The archaeology dig was fun because we got to see everybody's answers on the projector.
I think technology helped us make better inferences.